Oh, another day of being homeless and poor. Oh, she has a nice car.
Excuse me, child.
Yes?
How would you like to... you feel to be... no, just get in the car, okay?
Okay, that doesn't sound creepy at all. It does not sound creepy at all.
Not on grass. Excuse me?
Okay, so
I'm the richest of them all.
Hey, look. Somebody said ABC for a kid in the server. I can't say ABC.
Let's get this place. That's for everything. Ugh, what is that smell? Is that you?
Maybe. I mean, once again, I'm homeless. I have to shower in a hose that doesn't even clean me right. Whoa. So many houses and wow. I am so amazed. You have to
Get out, child.
Okay. I can't step out. Okay. Wow. This is nice.
Can I help you? Now, this is only one of the 50 houses that my company owns. You can stay in it for now.
Okay. Which part of it? There's two parts, isn't it? Isn't there?
Both.
I don't know. Whoa, I need to go take a shower really quick. I'm showering right now. La 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 la. I'm in the shower without it. If my head can go up, it's almost there. Okay, it's up. Now, okay, so, excuse me, ma'am, where did you go?
Yes? Do you need any assistance?
Where is the rooms?
My child. Who raised you?
I don't know who. I got abandoned when I was only 5 years old.
Child, come. Newbies. In. Come.
Okay.
This is my child's house. They hardly come over to this one. I don't know why. But, with a
Okay. Continue on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I don't know what I should do. She said, okay, so we just, well, I mean, I'm waiting, like, for her to pick me up because I just responded at my house, you know, because Bloxburg sometimes does that. Hello.
Hello, darling. Sorry for the trouble. I was stuck in the Miami airport and they just wouldn't let me through. But those people are hearing from my lawyer today. Alright? Shall we?
Okay. Let me roommate you. So, it could be better. Like, you know. Okay. I can't get in.
Let's have a guest lock on it.
Thank you.
Alright, there.
Okay, so
I have dinner with very important people today.
so I guess we are going back to your house. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, darling, we have to do something about those that hair, the face.
You can give me a makeover.
Let's go. My friend.
Let's go to the salon, I guess, to your friend's salon.
Yep. Chop chop.
Okay, I guess I will see you guys when I'm done with the makeover.
Thank you.
Okay, so I just finished, I guess. Yeah.
Thank you, Scarla. Thank you. Okay, come on. Let's go before I
I'm-
get charged for this.
I'm super scared to look at myself. I'm going to look at myself in 3, 2. Whoa, I totally look like a different person. Oh my gosh. The next thing I'm saving up is for like a 2-story modern house. Or I should start working at your business and have them offer me a house. I don't know.
Alright, darling. I'm going to drop you off and I'm going to go to the Scatter's house. I'm going to have dinner there and then I'll be back.
Okay. Hey, Ellie, you went in the wrong neighborhood. Sorry, guys, we're having some technical difficulties. I will edit that out. I hope I can. But
Alright.
I'll see you guys when we get to my house.
Shows that I'm actually not really caring.
Bye! So, I guess we need to get something to eat. And first of all, we need to get some sleep.
Pumpkins, I'm here.
So, I just finished sleeping. I'm going to eat some leftovers that, I'm going to get from the fridge. Let me clean up, because I think this food has been here for like 12 days straight. And let's make her some new plates of everything. And throw that away.
Yes. There's the dining room. Sorry.
How about I just set up a dinner table for her, for like thanking her, because she just picked me off from the streets and gave me a huge makeover. And I look beautiful. So let's just set up the dinner table so we can thank her. Let's make some turkey. Yummy. I think she'll like it. Dang it. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, I almost burnt my finger right there. I almost touched the stove.
Bye.
I literally almost touched the pot thingy. I don't know. Let's place the turkey right there.
Bed in my luxury bed. All right.
Oh no, my bills have passed due. I don't care anymore. Because I honestly live here now, I guess, for a long time. Let's take this extra turkey. Oh great, I just got stuck in the ceiling. How about I sit down right here? And then, yeah, okay. Now, let's get some tea. Okay, so I will text her and see if she likes tea. Pretend I texted you, Ellie. Hey, Ellie, do you like tea?
Oh no, darling.
What do you like?
Coffee.
Okay.
Or a frappuccino, but there are no coffee shops around.
Okay. I'll get you some coffee. I know how to make my own frappuccinos, so I bet you anything she'll love it. Let me take this. Just drink it. Anyway, let's get some coffee. And place some forks and spoons and knives right there. And we also need to live a healthy life, so let's take a banana. Yes, like that. Your content. Take. Now we're just gonna wait for her to get home, and we can eat dinner together, I guess. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this.
What's wrong? Are you stuck in traffic?
Now there is no traffic anymore.
Oh. How nice.
Oh, great. Have it killed. Oh, maybe you can make a scarf out of it. Great, now I have to go bathe in tomato juice.
We'll just wait till she gets here now. Okay, she just arrived home. She's bathing in tomato juice, I guess. Anyway, I set up some dinner for tonight.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
really needed this after the Jones Brothers house.
Okay.
What can a woman like me do?
Anyway, guys, this is the end of part 1 of Rich to Poor, like Poor to Rich, I mean. So, yeah, make sure you watch part 2, part 3, and yeah. Bye, guys.